Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your region on App Store. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead, open up your settings app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, go ahead, tap on the name of yours, and then tap on this option called media and pictures is below, and tap on this option called view account. So once you allow the security, you're simply going to be able to view your account, and then you will be asked to sign in. Go ahead, verify yourself and sign in again, and tap on the country and region option that will be given below the manage payments section. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to change your country or region. You will find the option from the menu. You're going to go ahead, tap on that, and then you're gonna review the terms and conditions along with it, and tap agree option in the top right hand corner, and then tap agree again to confirm. Then you will be able to select the payment method for you. You will be able to select your payment method, the new payment method according to the country that you will be in, and for your billing address. And then you're gonna go ahead, tap next, and then you will have to enter a valid payment method for you to confirm, because if you don't have it, then you won't be able to change your reason. That's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.